Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube Studio full course. I will explain everything you need to know from the basic interface to every feature that is available here. There will be few topics that I will touch lightly, such as video editing directly in the studio and another tab that I will tell you later. I consider those topics more advanced, so I will do other videos separately. So let's start. To reach YouTube Studio, you just open YouTube. From the YouTube homepage, you press on your profile picture and just go to YouTube Studio. And it's the same window we will already. Okay, this is the main dashboard. Here you will have quick information about the last video performance, the last published videos, recent subscribers, channel analytics, so everything you need to know. Creator news. You might have up here on top of channel analytics very important alerts, just like copyright strike, monetization problems. Luckily for me, I have nothing to show you. And this here, what's new in Studio, is just a list of useful links that I suggest you take a look at if you want to take content creation seriously. Okay, so let's start with the top bar. We have this burger menu. If we press it, we just collapse the sidebar. Nothing fancy. I like to have it all the time non-collapsed because I can see clearly what I'm clicking on. This is YouTube Studio. If I press it, I just go back to the same page, to the dashboard. So remember it. Maybe we are here. We want to move to the home page fast. I go here, and that's it. This is the search across our channel between videos, shorts, live, and every content we created. So for now, it's not important. We just move. This is the creator support if you need to chat. Then we have the help button and help center that will open up the YouTube documentation. This is the notification button. It will give you most of the time non-useful notification. What you need to know is about copyright claims, and if somebody is using your videos, this is what you need to take a look at. But otherwise, this is not important. This is the create button. If I click it, you can see a lot of options, and we will take a look later. And this is my channel. I can press it on my account. From here, I can go to my channel, to the YouTube homepage. I can sign out or switch account, meaning you can change channel if you have multiple channels, or you can use other channel from other Gmail accounts if you have multiple. This is my handle, so you can type youtube.com/this and you will find my channel. Oh, also, I only have 5 subscribers right now, so if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and help this channel grow. Okay, so let's concentrate a little bit on the dashboard again. Here there are 3 buttons. This is to upload video. So if I click it, I can upload video. I will show you how to do it later. Here we can go live. And as you can see, it started a 24 timer. We will go to that later as well. But if you plan on doing live stream, just do it as soon as possible because you have a time limit. This is, I think it's probably to avoid any kind of bot or spam. So we go back. How do we go back here? We cannot collapse the menu here because as you can see, this is the live menu. So we can press here to go back on our browser history, or you just use Studio. That's why I told you use this Studio logo frequently. Otherwise, you will be stuck sometime. And also, we can create a post. A post is just like a tweet. We can make poll, text poll, image poll. We can add images. We can add quiz, video, and just, type thing to connect with our fans. We go back to the dashboard. Let's take a closer look to every panel we have here. Okay, so let's start with the latest video performance. As you can see, this is the last video I published, and it was almost yesterday, almost 24 hours. Yesterday, I published a lot of videos, small tutorials. This is a longer one. This is a course, but I also publish smaller videos. So if you have any problem with YouTube Studio, you can find this course, or I will have shorts and small clips as well. But as you can see, yesterday I published a lot of videos. One of them is doing much better than the other, but it doesn't matter. So as you can see here, this is the last video I published, and I got 0 views, 0 comments, and 0 likes. Not so great, but it is what it is. So I press this to collapse if you want, but most of the time you want to see what's going on here. This is the latest video performance, so it will compare this video to other 9 recently published in order to see if it's doing as usual, better, or worse. As you can see here, it's 3 of 10. Why? Because every other video is basically 0. One video got 1 views, and this video, how to find macOS game on Steam, got 23 views. So this is the best performing one. We can click on it, on the video, to go and see the video analytics. For now, we just skip it. Other pretty important information we have here, the views, how many views, of course, but we can see it here. This is the impression click-through rate. So how many times people clicked once the video was shown to them. So if I go around YouTube, I need to go on YouTube. I have no history right now, but it doesn't matter because I go to subscriptions. I do have nothing. Yeah, let's suppose I search for Minecraft speedrun, and the same thing can be applied to the homepage if you have the history. So right now, as you can see, there are few videos popping up. Every video that is here got 1 impression from me. So it was shown to me once. This was once, this was one, etc. I will click basically one of them. So one of them is getting my click. The other ones are not. So the impression click-through rate is how many times people who are shown this video click on it. And that's important because the title plays a nice role, but the biggest role is, of course, the thumbnail. You want to create a thumbnail that people see, well, 053, I want to see what is going on. This is not a course on how to be a creator. This is a course on how to use the YouTube Studio, but sometimes I will say things that just interconnect with each other. So this is an impression. All this video got 1 impression for me, but 0 click. But you cannot count just me. You need to count every people that are searching for this type of videos or are shown in the YouTube page. So we go back, and now we know what it is, impression click-through rate. Then we have average view duration. So how much time, on average, each viewer watch our video. So for example, if you have 1 hour video and I have 2 views, everyone watches 1 hour. So it's basically 1 hour. If one watch 1 hour and the other one watch 1 second, probably my average duration is 30 minutes. Okay, so now we can go to video analytics or see comments about this video. If you want to see the other videos, we just go here and press on the title. For now, we skip it. We go down here on publish video, and we will see this is the last one, and this is the second to last, third to last, fourth to last, and so on. We can see the same, how many comments, how many likes, and how many views. If I hover it, I can edit the video, I can see the analytics, I can go straight to comments, or if I press this, I can view it on YouTube. I think it does not count as a view, so we cannot bot ourselves. It should not count. I think it counts it for a little bit, then the system just updates and then remove the views. Most of the time, you just go probably to comments, to reply, or edit the video quickly. For now, we just do nothing. Then we can go to videos and it will catapult us to the content. Then we go further down and we'll see the post section, but I have no post. So we will make one during this tutorial, but for now, no post. And when you publish a post, you will see the exact same thing of published video. Then we move to the channel analytics. So we see the current subscriber, which is 5. Please guys subscribe. Then we have +1 in the last 28 days. So it tells us how many people are subscribing in 28 days. I know a month is 30 or 31 days, but YouTube use 28 days as usual. So when you will see the earnings, right now I don't have it because my channel is not monetized. I will do a in-depth monetization tutorial once I get to 1,000 subscribers here. But you will see down here after watch time. You will never get a full month of earnings here because it counts 28 days only. So 2 days or 3 days will always be out. And it can have a significantly impact on the final amount. So you will see an amount here, but it's much bigger on the analytics because it's a full month. Down here, we will find the top videos. So in the last 48 hours, what are the top videos? As you can see, I have 3 videos. My full tutorials, the fastest way to learn Excalibur, and the Mac Steam video. Then I can go to the channel analytics, which is this tab right here. Then we have the recent subscriber lifetime, but it can change. It depends on the channel. So you can have the last 28 days. Right now, I don't have subscribers, so YouTube is just giving me something. Lifetime, I got 1 subscriber. Okay, that's it. We can go and see all. Let's try it. It will open up this dialog window with subscriber. It will say how many subscriber count they have, the date they subscribe. I can subscribe back. And this is the name, which I blurred. We can go to their channel and we can, of course, filter the time period to see how many subscribers were subscribed and so on. We can close this window and we can go to the creator inside. Here you might have more news or something that is happening. So most of the time it will stay basically the same for all days, but sometimes you got new suggestion or news. And this one is just documentation. If I press here, increasing shorts length, as you can see, this is YouTube help. You will use this website a lot. This was updated from the past 4 weeks, and you will basically learn a lot from here. This is the official documentation, so you need to learn it. I will do videos for everything, but I think that you should also read by yourself and not use second-hand information. Because even though this is a course, this is a second-hand information. Just always use official documentation. We can go back to the dashboard and it's basically done. We can move to content. This is where we manage everything we upload. We start with inspiration. And inspiration is a latest addition with AI. It is a little bit advanced, so I will not cover it in this video because there is a lot, because we can go down to develop one idea. We have multiple ideas. I can develop an idea with multiple thumbnails, with titles, and it will give me a little bit of script. It might be useful if you use an AI channel. You know, there are multiple ways to do channels on YouTube. For the type of content I do on this channel that I just started doing, it's basically tutorials, so I don't need AI to help me, but you might find it useful. I will do a full course on how to use it. This is one of the tabs I was saying at the beginning that I don't want to explain in this course because it is too much, too fast, and too deep. So we move to videos, which is basically where you will stand, or shorts or live, because it depends on the type of the content you do. You might see a channel, they only do shorts, so they will use the shorts tab. You will have videos. In this case, I do videos most of the time. I haven't done shorts yet. Or you can do only live streaming. Most of the time, if you do live stream, you might cut and use the videos and re-upload them, just like VOD clips. Okay, so let's start with the video tab. As you can see, I have 22 videos. You can see here. And we can change how many videos we want to see per page. Now it's 10. Most of the time will be 50, and you can move page to page. You will not see every video here. Max, I think it's 100. I can remember, maybe 50 or 100. Can remember, you will go from page to page. I know it's not great, but it is what it is. Let's start and see every videos. This is basically the published video. How do I know it? This is the thumbnail I choose. Basically, it's generated from the video. We will see in a minute. This is the published title. We have the edit details icon. We have the analytics, comment, watch on YouTube, and more. If we press more, we can edit title and description here if you need to do something quick, or we can get shareable link. We can promote it by paying. We can download the video. This is important. If maybe you deleted your video on your PC, you need a copy, you just press download, brainstorm video ideas. It pushes you back to the inspiration tab. Delete forever if you want to delete the video. If I try to delete the video, I need to confirm, but I can download it first and then you can delete forever. I will not do this. Even though it has 0 views, I will keep it. So that's everything we have here. Get shareable link, we just press it, and I have the link. So if I go here and paste it, as you can see, this is the shareable link, which is the short version of a video URL. So I go back and I see the visibility column. This is important because here you can change pretty fast the visibility. Let's suppose you have a private video, you want to change it. So here it's public, I can press here and I can change to private or unlisted. Private means I can only see it, or I can share it to someone with a Google account. Unlisted, it means it's available on YouTube, but it's not public. So if somebody has a link to it, they can see it. So it's basically public, but not shown publicly. It's not recommended, it's not in the home page, it's not on the other videos. It's just there, sitting for nobody, but it's public. So most of the time, you can use this option if you have a website and you are using a trailer for your products, I don't know, and this video should not go around on YouTube, but it should be public, but not going around, so it's unlisted. Then we can go to schedule, and we can schedule for a certain period of time, for a time zone. I think it's pretty easy to understand. Once you monetize your channel, you will have subscription. Paid subscription, I'm sorry. And with paid subscription, you can also make it available only for some tiers of your paid subscription. Also, for the last few months, this is a good thing, you can put it first for your paid subscribers, and then automatically it will go free for everybody. So let's say, for example, I want to put this course for my non-existent paid subscribers. I can do it, and I say for 1 month, it's paid only. After 1 month, it will be available to everybody. You might ask, how do you know these many things, since you have basically 0 views? That because I have other channels and I've been on YouTube Studios for many years. So that's how I know this thing, even though I don't have it on this channel. If we move, we have restriction, we have non-restriction. Those videos are produced by me. There is no guidelines problem. You know, it's just me recording myself, explaining a legal thing. So I have no restriction to monetization, to music, or whatever. If we go here, we will see the date that was published. If it's a newly uploaded video, we will see basically nothing. The date you see, it's published. This is the view count, the comment count. We can press and go to comments, and this is the like-dislike ratio. You will see just the ratio. If you go above, you can see exactly what you have. As you will see in this course, we will have a lot of places, a lot of buttons that we can press to go in the same spot. As I was saying, you know, to upload a video, there are many places. To go to a video, we can go to many places. To content, we can go from the dashboard, as you can see here from the dashboard. We can go to analytics for every single video, go to videos, exactly the same place. So you don't have to know anything memorized. There are just many paths you can follow. You will use what suits you best. So this is basically it. Now we can order the videos by date and by views. For now, I have nothing else. We can filter the videos for age restriction. Most of the time, you will want to filter by visibility. Most of the time, I just want to see everything that's in draft. So it's being uploaded, but I haven't finalized yet. This is most of the time what you want to do. Maybe in your workflow, you will do something else. This is the first thing that came to mind to me. Now we can select one video or multiple videos. It doesn't matter. We can edit, and we can edit the title of 2 videos, and we can insert at the beginning, so we can change. Let's say I want to add before these 2 videos, maybe something like Bob. I can type Bob and insert it. As you can see, update videos, and it will add Bob, maybe with a space, before the titles I already have. Let's not do this, so let's do cancel, but you can add to a certain playlist, how to use Steam. You can create a new playlist just here, or a new course or podcast. Now we can have more action, which is download or delete forever. If you delete forever, you will have to confirm again, and then they are deleted. You can press here this close button to remove, or you just press here again to deselect. 1, 2, deselect. If you press again, you can select or deselect every video. Be careful with this selection, be very careful because you can do some damage. Okay, this is the video content. Let's go into a single video. This is another window. So you see how many layers there are here. This is the official thumbnail I'll have. If I press it, I go exactly to the video I uploaded. This is the title, which we don't care because it's here. We have the analytics for the single video, and we will see the analytics just after the content. We have the editor, which I will not cover in this tutorial because it's too much, and personally I don't even like it. I like to do editing outside YouTube, but sometimes it might be needed. Here we have the comments. I have no comments yet, so I cannot show you how to manage comments. Subtitles, if you need to add subtitles. Here you can add a language. Let's say I want to add my Italian language. Where is it? Italian. You can add it. And here you do add. We can upload file or type manually. Autosync probably doesn't work because I'm speaking English right now, but I want to sync in Italian. I can save the draft or I can publish the Italian subtitles. Is this subtitle? Yes. We can also change the title and description. So I can maybe take this video, which is basically in English, and write in Italian. Maybe there are a few Italians that wants to watch English videos. So you might type the Italian description and title and maybe use subtitles or add Italian voices. Let me tell you, as a foreigner, most of the time, it happens that YouTube pushes me AI-generated Italian voices on videos. This is very, very, very frustrating. Not every foreigner is the same. I personally don't like it because I can speak English and I understood English better than I speak. I'm sorry for my accent. I'm sorry for the errors, but I like to watch original content. And maximum, if it's a language that I don't fully understand, I use subtitles. But I don't like AI-generated voices, or I don't like, even though it's a human, I'm here for the original voice content. But here you can change. The titles are fine. The titles and description are fine. I don't have it, but I saw channels that have translated thumbnails. So probably in the future, I will have to hear the possibility to change the title, the description, and the thumbnail. So if you look at the channel Diary of a CEO, it started to appear to me on page with Italian thumbnails. At first, I didn't notice because I speak English and Italian as well. But then I just stopped and what is going on? Why is Italian? The channel is not Italian. Why the thumbnail is in Italian? So, and now, and then I figure it out. Okay, so we cancel. I mean, if you do just one type of content for your native language audience, you might not care for this. Yeah, just wanted to show you. Then we go back to the copyright. So this is the copyright for the video. This is a topic that other creators have covered better than me. So I will do the technical stuff. Maybe if I have to do a strike or a claim or whatever, or I have to defend myself, I will show you. I hope not. This is the copyright tab. I will not talk about copyright guideline and so on. Other channels have done it better than myself. And this is not a channel for me to show you how to be a creator. I just want to do IT and digital and related skill problems and courses. So here you will find any problem and you can act here or at your channel level, which we'll see in a moment. Here there are the clips, because you can create a clip of your video. You can create a clip. This is, more advanced like the editor tab, so I will not do it right now. I will do a full tutorial as a single video. And I don't think right now, if you're watching this course, you need the editor or the clip menu. It's just for me to say, hey, this is the clip tabs, you can do this. Maybe you will not use it, but now you know that it's here for every single video. Down here, we have the settings and set feedbacks, which are not related to the video. They are general, so we will see them in a moment. We go back to details. Let's see, this is the most important thing basically. We can undo changes, we can save the changes. Here we can download, delete, promote. As you can see, the same thing we already saw in the content tab. This is our video. We can watch it from here. Most of the time it's bugged. There are a lot of bugs here. We can change the setting of watching. We can go full screen. Most of the time you will use this when you're uploading or changing the video. Sometimes you just want to see things. Maybe use it to type the chapters of your video. This is the video link. You can copy and share it. This is the original file name, change account name, Steam MP4. This is exactly the file name that I uploaded. This is the video quality. Here I can change from public, everything we already saw, restriction none, subtitles, we saw it, end screen, we can change the end screen, which is I can, say subscribe. Maybe let's add a element subscribe button here. But my videos are too short, and most of the time the card that will appear here will cover when I'm talking. So most of the time when my video ends, I'm still talking because I have no outro basically. And so I don't use it. Otherwise you will see, well, you should click here, and then the cards appear. You don't know where you click in, and basically the service that I'm doing is basically useless because you don't know where you should click. So I remove it, but you can see where you want to edit. Let's go here, and you can change the length of every single type. I have videos, I have the subscribe, I can change the position, as you can see here. I can watch the video and see exactly what is going on here when I'm placing the card and the video. We can select videos, maybe best for viewers. The algorithm will do it by itself. The most recent videos, choose a specific video from your library, or a video from other channels as well. I can add a new element, maybe another video, a playlist, a channel. Let's add a playlist. This is how to use Steam, and you can put everything you want in here. So you can do very advanced step. Let me know if you need something more advanced, but I think you can manage it. You can undo or redo what you're doing. I want to discard changes and save basically nothing. This is the cards. Cards are the things in black. You might saw it most of the time that appears during the video. On the top right, you can add a card, custom message, teaser text if you want, the video you're linking, or you can link to something else, to a channel, to a playlist, or to a link. But you need to be monetized. As you can see, join the YouTube Partner Program in order to add links. So you can add external links. And it works the same way of the, let's see, discard changes, I don't know, end screen elements. So it's basically the same, it's just, it's different. These are cards at the end of the video, and these are small cards on the top right. Okay, so this is the title, this is the description, you have the count here, then the thumbnail. The thumbnail is a completely different subject. Let's go with options, because I can reselect. As you can see, my videos, it's basically this, and YouTube is suggesting me, I don't know how the algorithm works for this suggestion, but it suggests you 3 images from the video, and I chose this one because the video is basically how to change Steam profile. This is the screenshot from the Steam profile. So I said, okay, let's do it. Why don't you use thumbnail in this video? This course will have a thumbnail, but this is basically just a tutorial. So if you need, you see, I don't need to make a thumbnail because you're looking for how to change Steam profile name in games. And you will see this as a thumbnail. Well, this is Steam profile changing. It's exactly what I need. That's the thought behind that. But this video course on YouTube Studio, if you press it, will probably have a more, I think, more clickable and more likable thumbnail. Let's go, and we can upload a file. So you can choose a thumbnail you already make. The sizes are 1280 by 720 or 1980 by 1080. Then we can test and compare. You can choose 3 types of thumbnail. Oh, as you can see here, it gives us exactly what we need. So if you need more guidelines, this is the thumbnail you need, less than 2 megabytes, and this is the format you need to use. Oh, this is fine, the GIF 5 format. I never tried it. You cannot have animated thumbnails, but I should try. Probably it will take just a snapshot, but it's something we can try for sure. So here you select up to 3 images that you want to. Most of the time it's 2, but you can use 3, and it will test it for 90 days, I think, and it will auto select the more performant, if I can say more performant. Well, let's go again. Playlist, you can have a playlist or not. You can select one or more playlists. You can add a playlist on the spot. Audience, it's not for kids, and I select in the setting as a default. I don't do stuff for kids. I don't care. This is just for adults. But be careful of that, because the regulations and guidelines are very strict about children protection and privacy. So we go here on age restriction. You can add age restriction or not. I mean, my videos are not for kids, but a 13-year-old can watch it. It's just me on Steam. We go here, paid promotion. I do not have paid promotion. Now, most of the time, if it's a sponsored videos, you should probably check it. We go down here. Is it altered content? You should know if it's a real person. You know, maybe you use the AI to do something with a celebrity or whatever. You just need to say that it's altered content. Then have collaboration. So you can add collaborators. Now, this is something new, recent. You can add other channel as collaboration. You might have seen it around, maybe this channel and another channel. It's not just one channel. Below the video, it's more channels. Then automatic chapters, we don't care. Automatic concept, we don't care. This is tags. Tags used to be a thing back in the day. Now they're not so much. So you will see a lot of videos that have no tags. If you want to use it, for my videos, I post too much videos with too much tags. It would be a waste of time because they're not working as usual. I will do probably in the future, but for now it's not important. If you want to learn how to use tags, just help yourself with ChatGPT and ask for a lesson of YouTube tags and SEO. This is a good topic that you should learn if you want to do tags seriously, but I'm not sure if there are things anymore or not. Let's go with the language. Yeah, even though I'm Italian and my accent sucks, this video is in English, so I said English. Also, the title and the description, it's not by default, so this is during upload, this is after. It doesn't show during upload, but this is still English. Why do you want to do this? Only if you have translation, as I show you here with subtitles, because you're saying, well, this description and this title is in English, so it's automatically connected. Then we go to the recording date. I don't know if there's a type of connection. I usually put it because it's already on the right date. This is the video location. This might be something important. This is the license, standard, allow embedding. If you want other website to embed your videos, it's always your video, but other website can show it on their website. You still got your ads and whatever. Publish to subscription, fill and notify subscribers. This is by default check. So it will give us a notification to your subscriber and also will be shown to your subscription feed. But there are some times where you don't want to do that. Maybe you have a low ratio, so you have a lot of subscribers, but nobody's watching you, or bots. You don't want to, because YouTube is taking notice. Oh, you're sending your videos to 1,000 people, but only 10 are clicking on it. I don't know if it's a good video to push around, okay? So the algorithm is complex, but this is a meta game strategy that was used. But YouTube keeps changes, so by the time you see this is the new meta, and you should use it every time. It doesn't matter. Shorts remix. Now people can remix your video. So you say, well, allow video and audio, only audio, don't allow remixing. For me, it's just education. The category, it's education, because I educate people. This is the type. This is new. This is brand new. For me, it's the first time I see it, because basically the first time I go back to a educational video. So let's do it together. This is an how-to, problem walkthrough. Well, this is a how-to. And here you can describe the problem. Let's turn it together. Help learn, find explanation to solve the problem. Okay, so basically this is the explanation. This is basically the video written with timestamps, basically. These are basically chapters or subtitles. Yeah, it's something we can do later on. Academic system, this is not an academic system because this is not a course, a real course. Level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, professional training, well, there's no need to do that. Exam course or standard, known. Comments, I enable comments. Basic moderation, I don't want to be strict, just go with basic. And sort by top, no, newest, well, it doesn't matter, you can always change it. So show how many viewers liked my video. If you don't want to show the likes, you just uncheck this. And that's basically it. I can do changes, but I want to save it. And we basically saw everything about the video. Because if we go on shorts, we got almost the same thing. If we go on live, we got almost the same thing, almost. And post, almost the same thing. I don't have the content yet to show the things, but once you understand the videos, everything else, is just a nice sequel, something you can manage on your own. Then we move to playlist. Playlist, this is my first playlist. I can edit the playlist, I can see the videos here, and it's basically the video content in the playlist. We go back a little bit. This is the analytics for the playlist here. So you have analytics for every single playlist because playlists do show up on YouTube and they have their own analytics. The single video is one thing. The playlist as a whole is another thing. You maybe have seen music playlist. These types are very common. Let's go back and watch on YouTube or edit on YouTube. This is a nice thing to do. Why? Because here we can add videos from here and we can see how the playlist shows up to people. Here we can share it, we can shuffle the playlist, we can change the settings, add new videos on top of playlist. It depends on what you want to do. You can play all and you can change the playlist thumbnail here. My videos do not have thumbnails, but for the playlist I might do it. So we go back and we can set it as a course. Courses are a new thing on YouTube. They have been experimented for a month, but now they are available to everyone. So this is a course. A course is basically a playlist of videos that make together a course. Let's say, for example, if you have a playlist of gameplays, well, it's not a course. If you have a playlist of music, it's not a course. But if you have a playlist on different videos on how to code, on how to use YouTube Studio, or how to use Steam, that might be a course. How to use Steam, this might be a course. So we can change the playlist here, the title, the description, the visibility, and how the video order is done. Date published, newest, most popular. So you can change it, or you can manually sort it on YouTube. You can change it. We go back. So we need to edit on YouTube. And now we have this thing here. We can drag the videos. Before, a few minutes ago, it wasn't available. Why? Because if I go here, default video order, it was date published. I didn't see the drag possibility. If you use manual sorting on YouTube, you can change the order. Here are all the videos again, or the analytics again. And these are the playlist. The podcast, I'm sorry, these four I will be pretty useless because I never done podcasts in my life. So let's try new podcast. I don't know what it is. I don't want to start doing podcast unless it's required. Courses, I haven't published a course yet. So in this channel, I'm doing long videos like this as courses, but I'm trying to do playlists like this one, how to use Steam. I will probably convert it in a course once it's done because I want to see the difference. Promotion, never promoted on YouTube, but it's basically ads. So now you can create an ad. I think you should have an AdSense account. You should get started, connect your AdSense account. If you don't have it, you should make it. For most of you, probably 99% of you, you will never use it. You will use it probably if you are a company channel that wants to promote the channel. Most of the time, you'll see ads about softwares or gaming. Let's go with collaboration. Never done a collaboration. It's something, I collaborated with other people, but never at the YouTube level that it's recognized. Oh, I'm doing something with another channel. So I'm sorry, but I'm useless. But most of the things are explained. So once you got your shorts or your podcast, it's something you can do on your own. Let's go to analytics, which is basically what you want to see. I know you want to see the analytics. It's one of the most important parts. This is the overview. Then we have separate tabs. The monetization tabs is missing because my channel has only 5 subscribers. What do you need to monetize your channel? You probably already know. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours of your video. So it means that if this video is 1 hour, I will need 4,000 people to watch it full, or I will need one person to watch it 4,000 times, or I will need 8,000 people that watch it 30 minutes, and every math in this range. You can see the live count of your subscribers. Unfortunately, this channel is not booming, but it's not a problem. This is the views for the last 48 hours. YouTube will use 28 days for the month, and for the days 48 hours. I'm sorry if I'm misspelling and making errors. These are the top videos, but we already know from the dashboard. We can see more, and we can see a more expanded view. This view was updated recently because now you have real-time performance. You can see by age and gender. There are many things you can do in your analytics. I will not show you the entirety of the analytics. I will explain the analytics and the most basic things, but here you can control not just the channel, but a single video. And now you can sort it by content type, and you can add another report. You can do very advanced stuff here. So it's basically advanced. We need another video more advanced. Okay, we go back. This is the most important thing. You will take a look most of the time. Once you go to this window, to this tab, your eye will look exactly here. And most of the time on the next tab, we don't have after subscriber, which is the monetization. It will look at monetization and real time most of the time. So if we go down here, it's the latest content, which is the last video we published. We already saw impression, average. It's the same thing as the dashboard. Here we have the views in the last 28 days. So this is basically the last month. I did 119 views, basically 30 of them in the last day. This is the watch time in hour. As I was speaking, you need 4,000 watch time hours for longer videos. It changes for shorts, but we will see it in the earn tab. This is the subscribers. How many people did you earn or lost in the month? We can change it. We can see last week, 90 days, lifetime, by year, by month, or custom. This is very easy to do. It's advanced mode, but it's easy. Let's see 365 days. Well, I'm booming, guys. I'm booming. So let's go back to the 28 days. Okay, we can see more, and we go basically to the advanced mode again with every video. We have views for each video, and this is, the last month. Still the last month. We can change the bar chart. So this is very advanced stuff. If you don't even like data, for now, just avoid this. The basic view, it's just fine to know what you're doing. I will do a separate video for the people who really loves data like I do. It's just fun to see many types of data and learn what people are watching, what they're watching it, and so on. Okay, so this is my top content in this period. In this period I have here, which is 28 days, what is performing well. So in the last month, my Excalibur full course did a staggering 94 views with people watching 15% of the video. I guess the way I speak, it's my accent, it might be the accent, it might be the content, I don't know, but people don't watch it. Just watch 5 minutes or 6 minutes. It's not so good. Then I have the other video just published. As you can see, it's recent upload, badge, and nothing else. We can see more, and we go to the advanced mode, which is exactly the same thing, and we see the average view duration and the average percentage viewed. I close it, and we go to the content tab. The content tab, it's different because it tells us how many impressions we got, how many people clicked on every time it was shown to them, and the average view duration. This is the key moments for audience retention. I lose most of the people after 24 seconds. The people who go here most of the time go through all the 41 minutes. How viewers find your videos? Browse features. If you go here on the icon, traffic from the home page, home screen, subscription feed, and other browsing features. Then you got YouTube search, people who are searching actively. Maybe they're typing Excalibur course or something else. So basically, it's 35 from search and 35 from the home page. Then I have a 18% from suggested videos. So if I'm watching a videos on my right side, I have suggested videos. This is another percent. And I have other things like direct, unknown, external, and other. You can dive in later once you got your own data. These are my top videos. Of course, you already know. Top remix, I have no remix. And this is the funnel. Impression and how the leads to watch time. So 1,700 impressions. So it was shown to people 1,700 times. Oh, yeah, because I think in 1,000, let's say how you say it, 1,700. Okay, 1,700. We in Italian, we don't think in hundreds, but I just wanted to use it. 1,700. Okay, times. 31%, 32% gets recommended my content. So 68% are seeking my content or getting in another way, but 31% are getting it from the watch page or the home page. So now I know how many people come from the home page, which is 31%, which is good. Of this impression are generated from the 31% in home page. Okay, now with 1,700 impressions, only 4.3% of people click it. So it means 74 people. From this to this, the average duration is 5 minutes and 47 seconds. So I got this watch time for impression per hour. How many in every single hour, maybe from 3 to 4, I've got X impression and I've got this amount of watch time. This is the watch time funnel. Now we go to audience because we need to know our audience. I have so little data, so we cannot understand who my audience is, but we can see something. Monthly audience, 77 people, subscriber 1. Okay, that's good. Then we had audience by watch behavior. I have new viewers, casual viewers, and regular viewers. Of course, most of the time it's new viewers. Why? This is a new channel, nobody subscribed. So they're not casual and they're not regular viewers. When your viewers are on YouTube, it will show you a graph on the days and hours. So you know exactly when people are watching your videos, watch time from subscribers, age and gender. Then we have other channels, and other videos. So here you can see other channels that your audience watches and other types of videos. Formats, here it's live stream, shorts, video, so you know exactly what the people who are watching your channel also watch most of the time. This is the device, the geographies, and the language. No subtitles. Yeah, they use subtitles. Why they use subtitles on my video? Is it not clear? I mean, the accent is strong, but yeah, that's a shame. It hurts a little bit. 10% of the people doesn't understand me. Well, let's go with trends. Here on trends, this is another thing I will not cover in detail because it's big. YouTube gives you idea for your next video. So other popular videos, and these are keywords, what people are looking for. Maybe they type computer architecture podcast, so we can dive in, and I have other keywords and other videos. This is basically an infinite hole we can keep digging. So that's why I will not do it in this video. And you can go to inspiration. These two tabs basically go end to end. And I think I've been talking for the last hour, so let's keep going. Then we go to the community. Oh, and I will do maybe single videos on monetization and so on, because now the channel is not monetized and the data are low. So it's tough really to understand. I'm showing you a lot, so you should learn a lot just from what we have here. but I think I will do something else when the channel gets updated. Okay, so let's go to community. Here you can find the comments. You can see the published comment, the held comments. You can sort by. Most of the time it's newest or most relevant. It's default. I don't know why. I don't like it. I want to reply in order. So newest. Most relevant probably is the comments that get more likes or from other creators and so on. Most of the time, if people do comment, I want to see the newest, apply, also nobody comment on my channel, and I want to see the unresponded comment because you don't want to miss new comments. For each comment, you can reply, you can pin it. You cannot pin it from here. You should go on the video and then pin the comment from there. Then we have viewer post because now people can also type post on your channel without comment. It's something else. So turn on my community. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, this is my community and I don't want to publish anything. Community settings. Let's do it together. Oh, it's in settings. We don't care for now. We'll go later. Okay, then you got mention. Mention is when people just tag you in other videos. Then we got subtitles. We already did that for each video. You can create subtitles, you can create a new title or a translated description. You have the draft, which are videos that have subtitles which are not published yet, and you have the published, and this is all. I will do a full tutorials for translation because most of the people really don't care, or maybe you want to use AI generation, or you want to use GPT to help you. So it's a complex topic. We will do in a separate video. Then we got content detection. Here, if you are allowed to do it, we will see later in the settings, you will have a table of videos that using your content, so you can make a removal request. You can go here, I want to remove this video because it uses my video and so on. Here you can create a new removal request and manually request. If it's not showing here, you can do it from here. Let's go to earn. Okay, to show you, I have to update your country of residence, and let's do it. This is the settings. We will do it in a few moments. So for now, I will say Italy. Yes, let's suppose we are in Italy, and here we are. This is the top tabs maybe you want to see, the Earn on YouTube tab. Okay, let's start our journey. Watch page ads. This is explaining to us every way we can earn. We don't care for now. If you don't know how to do it, just read it. But we need criteria. The eligibility. We have two types of monetization. We have the early monetization, which is the early monetization is gone. It was a 500. Did I miss something? Probably. Yeah, it doesn't matter. This is the eligibility, the true eligibility criteria to get monetized. There was a pre-request you can send at 500 people. I don't know why it's not showing up. Maybe I missed something. They changed something and I'm not aware of it. But let's go again. Okay, so we have two types of way to monetize the channel. We need 1,000 people subscribe. Please, guys, subscribe. I want to show you everything, but I need 1,000 people. I need to monetize the channel. So this is the most important criteria. The second criteria, it depends if you're using long, short forms, long, short video. It doesn't matter if it's really long. Let's take the content. My videos are 26 seconds long. It doesn't matter. It's still not a short form content. It's a long format content, even though it's short. So let's say with horizontal and vertical video, maybe we can describe it better. If you're using horizontal videos, you need in the last year 1,000 hour watched. If you take channels that pop up from nothing, let's say a Minecraft video or an essay video, they're doing maybe 100,000 views in a week or a day. Those channels, and they make 1,000 subscribers, they're basically monetized. So it's not hard to do 4,000 hours. It will be tough for me because I need to do a lot of views, because this video might get a lot of watch time, but these small videos, so if 1,000 people watch it, it's not even 1,000 minutes, it's 500 minutes because it's basically half a minute long. So it will be a mess to monetize the channel, but it's not a problem. It's fun to do. Let's go back to earn. And now, if you're using shorts, this is crazy. In the last 3 months, 90 days, we need 10 million views. I think this is more easy to achieve than this because you need to push a lot. You need to put a lot of content out, or you need to go super viral because this is more manageable. If you do one good video, you don't even need that takes 80,000 people or 100,000 people. It's easier to achieve than this, in my opinion. So you can get notified when you reach this level. I get notified. Yes, I cannot apply now. And here you have resources, help, and doesn't matter. This is the page you want to keep an eye on because it's very important. You need to read the monetization policy. If you monetize a channel, you need to be very careful on what you do. You need to learn the guideline. You need to know the policies. It's very important. Okay, let's go with customization. Here we can customize the channel. I don't have a cover. As you can see here, I can find my channel. Let's press on my avatar. Here, this is my channel. I don't have a cover or a thumbnail for my channel. For now, I don't care. I just want to publish videos and make long form courses. But you can have one. Let's go back here. So it gives you exactly what you need, that you can find templates online. I will do maybe videos on how you can find them, or on how you can change, or how you can make your own cover, how you use AI. Just let me know in the comment what you need, and I will do a tutorial. This is just fun to do, and you will upload it. Then you have your profile picture. Same thing, just be mindful on the size in megabytes or the format. Then we have the name. The name, it's not important. The name can be everything. But what is important is the handle that must be unique. Let's suppose I say QWERTY. Of course, it's already taken. Okay, so you need to find something that is not taken. I won't go back because Kotelas tutorials is just fine, and the name is Kotelas. The pronouns, if you want to have pronouns, I do not care about it personally. The description, helping people with everyday IT problems. That's what I like to do. So, and you can see the description here. I like to have the description in one sentence, even though this more button pisses me off a lot because it ruins my slogan. So you can use ChatGPT. This one was made by me entirely. I thought of something short to say it. Maybe it doesn't even make sense. If you are a native speaker, you may say, well, this is wrong. Well, I will change it. Doesn't matter. Just let me know. You can add a language because you can translate your channel. So you want to change the name. Maybe you have a name in English. So you will say this is English, but you want to have the translation in Italian. So basically now YouTube allows you to translate basically everything from the thumbnail to the voice, the subtitles, the description title, the channel data, and so on. You can do a multi-language channel nowadays. Then you have the channel URL, which is not important because now you have youtube.com/your handle, but you can still have your channel URL. This is a legacy thing. It used to be a thing, but now we have handles, which are more important. People are buying and selling handles for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Then we have links. You can add links, external links. You can add your social. You can add your link tree. You can do what you want. If I go here more, you will find the links here. Then we have the contact info. I don't want to be contacted outside of the comments, so I will not do it. And then the video watermark. When the video is going on, you will have here something that will be displayed at entire video, end of video, custom start type. Never really use it, never really cared about it. Maybe I should. I personally never cared that much, but when I have the image, I upload it here and upload it here. You can do something more. Maybe there are strategy to maximize the video watermark. For now, let's just leave it the way it is. I basically changed nothing. We can view the channel here. We can publish or cancel if we did something. Home tab. Here we can change the home tab. What is the home tab? This one. As you can see, I have created playlist and videos. If I go here, I have For You, but I do not watch my channel, so I don't have For You channel. If you are my viewer, you go here, you might find few videos that are suggesting to you. Right now, I only have Steam videos, so there isn't much to be suggested, even though it can be suggested. It's only Steam videos. I have videos, which is important, and other default playlists. You can remove them if you don't want. Collaboration, let's remove because you have a limit up to 12 sections. So if you don't need those, just remove them. Shorts, well, let's leave it. You can drag them and change the order, but you can also add a section. And you can add a channel trailer, you can add a spotlight for returning subscribers. This is something about, pretty new. Popular videos, collaboration, live now. If you go live a lot and people go on your channel, oh my God, he's live, let's go and watch it. Upcoming live stream, past live stream. It depends on what you want. Most of the time, what do you want is, yeah, top community clips is fine. It's something new, but it's fine. Unfortunately, I don't do gameplay, or entertainment, so there's no need to have clips. But let's say single playlist, because this is created playlist is multiple. Let me show you. Add section, multiple playlist. You can select it, done, and I have the same thing here. If you want to have only one playlist, because here they are shown as playlists, you need to play, you need to click it, and then you go onto the playlist. But if you want to have something more, you can have single playlist, how to use it, and then these videos are basically stretched, as you can see. Oh no, it will take a little bit to update. I don't want to do it. So I think I can remove this. We can view the playlist on YouTube, just we already done it. And I remove the section because do I not care? Yeah, I do care, but everything is on Steam now, so I don't want to have so many duplicates. Okay, this is fine. And we are almost done. Let's go to the library. Discard changes. Yes, let's discard the changes. This is the music library. Here you can find free music you can use on your videos. I don't think I should spending much time here. You can start things, you can download sound effects, you can download music here. Always read by using the audio library. You agree with the YouTube audio library terms and condition. Always learn more, and then you start use the music, okay? You can listen to it. The audio is not activated, so don't worry. Okay, and that's it. Let's go back a little bit to content because I want to show you the analytics per video because we skipped it. Okay, and you also have comments for every single video. So we saw the comments as a channel thing and the analytics as a channel thing, but we can go in the single video and we have basically almost the same data, something more, something less, it depends because a channel wide has different statistics from the single video. Okay, now let's end everything from here because then we have to upload a video. Let's do settings. My currency right now is the euro. You can change it. Then you have channel. I set to Italy. If you don't put the country of residence, you cannot monetize. Then you have advanced settings. I do not want to review the settings on every video. My channel is not for kids. There's nothing more you need to take a look here most of the time. What you don't want is this: allow third-party companies to train AI model using my content. I don't know if it's paid or not, probably not. Most of the time you don't want to do this. Then you have features eligibility. This is important. This is important because, for example, if I don't have this video over 15 minutes and custom thumbnails and live stream, I cannot do this. So you need a phone number for this. And for this, you need a history of video. It's basically an anti-spam, anti-bot measure, security measure. So you will need your identity document or create a history of watched videos, but history will take months. So if you have no problem, if you're doing this for business, just use an ID of any kind and you get basically accepted in a couple of hours or mostly days, okay? It's pretty fast. Let's go back to upload defaults. Now you can have here a few defaults. If you don't like to type every time, maybe you want to have something before like this for every video, then add your title, or you want to add something in your description, maybe links, I don't know, visibility, everything should be unlisted. You do what you want, but you can have some default. Then advanced settings, Allow automatic in chapters, okay, it's not a problem. Video language, yeah, might be super useful. I'm so glad I came here. And I go with English. English. I cannot see English. Oh, because I'm thinking Italian with the I, but I'm looking for the E. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'm sorry, guys. Then we have title and description language is the same with the English. What it is here. Comments, everything. Okay, I want to show likes, basic moderation. Okay. Auto-dubbing, you're eligible for auto-dubbing. No, I don't want to do this. Then we have permission because you can help, you can have other people helping you managing your channel. Community moderation, if you want to have channel guidelines, user management, you can manage people, moderate, art moderator, approve user, hidden users, and you can add block words and so on. I will not spend time here. If you need it, just take a look. Then we have agreements. Agreements are contracts that you will sign with YouTube. For example, your partnership program, or maybe your live program. I don't know. I'm not sure. There are many things. Mostly are connected with the monetization. There are many things you can monetize as a basic level, but there are other things you can do to earn a little bit more or share your content with institutional entities. So there are many things, and everything will be displayed here. Okay, so let's save because I've done something useful. And now, send feedback for now, we don't care. I want to show you how to upload a video. Yeah, I will do short clips just like this Steam video. So if you need something, maybe don't go back to this channel. Just look for a small videos. I mean, if you need something, small videos or short video, if you need this type of course for its entirety about the mobile app, just let me know. If you need short videos, let me know, guys. But let's end this with uploading a video. You can upload a video, you can drag or select it. Most importantly, I need to see if I have available videos. Do I have something here? Yes, I think I will just upload the raw videos for this install game on Steam. It's basically the same video unedited. But I just want you to see what we can do here because this is one of the most important window we can have. You can close it. You're not, it's saved as private. So if it's saving, it will not close. Once it's saved, I can close it and it will be showing here. You can upload maximum at 15 videos at a time. Once one is done, you can do another one. So you have a queue of 15 videos and you have limits based on settings. If you verified your phone number or your ID and so on. While it's uploading, I can still press here or I can press here. It's the same. As I told you, many paths will lead the same place. This is a 4-step, but you can have more if you are monetized. The details, we can reuse details. This was a great addition. I was about to say addiction. Yeah, it is a little bit because if you have a lot of things that are similar, you can use it. So I press one video and I want to use not the title, maybe the playlist and the video language. And yeah, basically it's everything the same. But the title. So we can say reuse. I will not do it. I will not use the playlist, but I will do with everything else. So if I go down, I can undo it. But as you will see, those things were reused. The more thing you have, the more it should give you. So now you have the possibility to select, to redo it in case you did something wrong. This is the title, this is the description, this is the thumbnail. You can test and compare, we already saw it. You can auto-generate it from your videos. So give you a little bit, and now you select what you want, the screenshot you want, or you can upload your file. Very simple. Then we have the playlist. You can select one or more playlists. I already told you that. You can create a new playlist. Let's go here, new playlist, a title, description, the visibility, and the default order. Nothing fancy. We go down. We want to show more, age restriction. Most of the things are the things we already saw in the content section, video content section. Paid promotion, it's not paid promotion. It's not altered content. I don't have collaborators. Everything else, the tags, I don't want to use it. Recording date, let's do 16. And I don't want to I don't want to push notification. It's education. This we skip. Academic system, it's Italy. No, it's not. Let's do none. Okay, so this is the basic tab. We move to video elements. We already know what are video elements. Card, top right of the video, subtitles, I don't care. End screen, you can import from a video, but I don't have a video that use it, so I will do it from scratch. But you can use the same thing. You can import it from another video. You don't have to do it from scratch every time. So don't worry about this. It's basically the same. Here you select no, I want it shorter, longer, doesn't matter. I want to discard the changes. Then we move to checks. Here, copyright checks, everything is fine. Of course, this is my PC, my voice, everything is okay. Then we move to the visibility, and here you can select what you want. I want it private, so basically no one can watch it, or you can share it privately. You can put Gmail account here and notify via email. Then we have unlisted, as I told you, it's basically public on YouTube, but it's not publicly pushed to people. And public, it's basically for everyone. You can set an instant premiere. So basically it's a live, it will go live, and once it's done, people can see it from any length of the video. Then we have schedule, and you can do the same thing, set as premiere. I don't want to set up as a premiere. Yes, I don't have, as I was saying, paid subscribers, so I do not have access to those things. Once this channel, I hope, is monetized, I will show you this as well. Probably not another 2 hours videos, small videos just to tell you how to do these things. Okay, before you publish, just check, okay. I don't want to schedule it, and I will put it on private. Let's do save. Well, it doesn't matter. I just keep it in as a draft, because now it's uploaded, everything is fine, I can publish it, it's draft. I want to edit my draft, I can do this, or I can do from here, I can already watch it on YouTube. I just want to do one thing, which is here, delete forever, or from here, delete forever. I don't want to use this, it always scares me, so we'll go here, delete forever. I understand, yes, I'm deleting it, oh my God, guys, I'm deleting it. Delete draft videos, and it's gone. Okay, so basically, after 90 minutes almost, let's see analytics, how we're doing. No new views. That's sad. That's really sad. But this is the intro to YouTube Studio. Now you know everything you need to know to start. Every single tab, we saw it. What you're missing is the monetization, that if you're starting right now, you don't also have it, so it's not a problem. You will see it once you have it. I wish you the best with your channel. Let me know if you need, as I was saying, other courses on other softwares, or maybe apps, YouTube Studio app. You need small, shorter videos. I don't know. Just let me know, guys, and please subscribe, because I want to do more tutorials also on the monetization. I wish you the best, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye.